first question asks, what is the shape of the average total cost curve in the example? So I'm looking at the red curve in my graph. Well, the average total cost curve is a U shape. As quantity goes from 0 up to 130, an increase in quantity makes the average total cost go down. The average total cost curve has got a negative slope. As we go further than that, an increase in output makes average total cost rise. So you get a U shape. Second question asks about the average variable cost, which is our blue curve. Average variable cost also has a U shape. It decreases as output goes from 0 up to 120, and then it increases as output goes from 120 up to 155. Marginal cost is the orange curve. Marginal cost also has a U shape. It decreases as output goes from 0 up to about 70, and then it gets higher as output goes from 70 up to 155. Question 4 asked, when does an increase in output result in a decrease in average total cost? Let me draw a line vertically at a quantity of 130. Just run it straight up a little dotted line. To the left of that line, when quantity is less than 130, here we have marginal cost is going to be less than average total cost. For example, when quantity is 70, marginal cost is 3. When quantity is 7, the average total cost is something like 7. So marginal cost curve is above the average total cost curve. Marginal cost curve is below the average total cost curve when quantity is less than 130. In that setting, an increase in output will make average total cost decrease. Question 5 asks, when does an increase in output result in an increase in average total cost? Well, that occurs over here to the right of 130. On this side, marginal cost is greater than average total cost. And when marginal cost is greater than average total cost, when quantity goes up, that will make average total cost go up. Question 6 asks, when marginal cost equals average total cost, then where does marginal cost equal to average total cost? Here's the marginal cost curve, the yellow one, is the orange one. The average total cost curve is the red one. They intersect right here. So what's true at that point? Well, we can see that's where the average total cost curve is minimized. ATC is minimized. It's where the average total cost is at its lowest value. The marginal cost curve intersects the average total cost curve where the average total cost has its lowest value. Last question, when marginal cost is less than average total cost, well, that's over here in the quantity below 130. Marginal cost is less than average total cost. At that region, the average total cost curve has a negative slope. As quantity rises, average total cost falls. If marginal cost is above average total cost, that means that the average total cost curve will have a positive slope. When quantity goes up, average total cost will rise.